Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by placing the typewriter on a stable table and removing loose covers and accessories. Use a soft brush and short bursts of compressed air to remove dust and old debris from between type bars and segment slots, taking care not to bend linkages. Inspect the rubber platen visually for nicks and uneven wear across its circumference. A slightly flattened section will affect ink transfer. Lightly apply a single drop of sewing machine oil to pivot points and segment pins, wiping away any excess to prevent future dust attraction and buildup. Next, install a fresh ribbon by seating both spools on their hubs and threading the ribbon evenly across the type guide and through the ribbon vibrator posts so it passes in front of the striking point. Verify each ribbon spool sits flush in its hub and turns smoothly when you advance it. The advance mechanism should move one fraction of a spool with each stroke. Depress every key gently, watching for even travel and a clean type bar return. If a bar sticks, free it with a small amount of oil on its pivot and retest. To load paper, turn the platen knob while feeding the sheet between the platen and paper bale until the top edge sits securely under the bale rollers. Align the paper using the paper release lever if needed. Set left and right margins by sliding the margin stops on the carriage to the desired positions. For example, start with a left margin of 3.5 inches from the carriage stop and adjust to suit your layout. Finish by cleaning keytops with a damp cloth, covering the machine when not in use, and performing light maintenance every 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.